Children's Hospital.
Okay, where are we going? Push the button.
Might be number 1's here.
Go to number 1.
I'll watch the numbers. Going down. Yeah. Here's the fixtures. Here's the fixtures. Watch the button go out. Watch the button go out. Button goes out. We are at 1.
Okay,
I'm going to ring the elevator.
where are we gonna go? Whoa, that's bright. Are we showing them around? See, this is the gift shop.
It says the gift shop.
Should we show them the fish tank?
Yeah. There's the elevators.
Yep, there's the other elevators. Here's the fish tank.
Here's the fish tank. Here's the fish tank. Wow.
Where else are we going?
And here's the fixtures.
Yeah.
What the?
Should we go back up?
There's the shots. Going up?
Okay, yes, we'll go up.
I hear one coming. I hear one coming. I hear one coming. Might be this one, elevator number 3. Might be this one.
Hold on.
Going up. Go to 8.
Nope.
Door closed, but it works out like that. Here's the fixtures. Watch the button go out. Here are at 8. Here are at 8. Going down.